Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very nice. I hope your holidays were fine. Keep your videos on, dear all. Yes, keep your videos on, all of you. Today, we are going to do the topic, as I said, from writing section. The next class will be from writing section. That is, you can see the board. That is poster making, which is of 3 marks. Earlier it used to be of 4 marks. Now, after the changes, it is of 3 marks. So 1 mark is for layout. The next 1 mark is for content. And the third point which I have written, that is expression. So 1 mark for expression. Writing section has got these features. Now, let me share screen with you so that you will understand this topic very well. What is a poster? First of all, let me define. Before I share the screen, let me define what is a poster. Poster is to communicate to large number of people, to convey message, to create awareness. I'll be sharing with you all these points, but listen carefully. That is, what is the purpose? The purpose is to create awareness, to bring a message, but to large number of people. When you make posters in your competitions, they have some particular themes and all. So that is the part of content. So let's move. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, if you can see this poster making, let me admit few more those who are joining. Yes. Now, features of a poster. Can you see the features of a poster? Layout, 1 mark. Content, 1 mark. And expression, 1 mark. What is this layout? The layout is your presentation. You make a box in notices, as I've taught you in the previous writing section topic. The layout is your presentation, your formatting. As such, poster doesn't have a fixed format. But headings, issuing authority, something all like something means here these things are how you present your heading, topic, caption, so visually attractive. The layout must be attractive. And what are the components of this layout? It should be visually attractive. Title must be catchy. There must be a catchy title. Use of slogans if you can, because you are conveying something through a picture, through some graphics, your artistic sketch, but there must be some slogan related to the theme. Maybe on the top, maybe in the end, maybe in the center, by circling it with a bubble or something like that. Then you can draw simple sketches. Then next is, okay, then next is content. What is this content part? 1 mark. Theme, as I said. Suppose you are making a poster on save girl child. So the theme is saving a girl child, giving importance to girl children, right? So girl child. So this will be the theme. Then if you want to promote exercise and fitness and all, then that will be your theme. I hope I'm clear with this part. Content part, then description associated with the theme. Suppose there are some do's and don'ts, they can be the part of description of the theme. Then last, name of the issuing authority. Who has basically issued the poster? Who has published this poster? maybe in a newspaper, maybe in the school magazine, maybe for the school notice board. Who is the authorized person who has sent this poster? So now comes the expression. What do we mean by expression here in the poster? It is persuasive language. You want to convey something that must come strongly. Even if it is a message or it is related to awareness, whatever the point is, the theme is, it must be persuasive, it must be enlightening. Then creativity in terms of content as well as design. Creativity is must. Whether you write, whether you draw, whether you paint, whether you speak, creativity is the essence of everything that you do. You people have a lot of creativity in your so many things that you do, so it matters a lot in answers also, right? Kindly keep your videos on so that we can move further. All the students, keep your videos on. Then word limit, you have to keep in mind, that is 50 words. For those who have joined just now, let me share this part, that is features of a poster. Layout 1 mark, content 1 mark, and expression 1 mark. And what is this layout? This layout is actually the presentation of your poster. Visually attractive, title must be there always, children. Title for whatever you do is must. Then use of slogans, sketching simple drawings. What do I mean by this sketching simple drawings? Suppose you are making a poster on saving environment, saving trees. Can't you make a small tree of freehand figure and you can write in that save me or something like that? So sketch simple drawings like that. Then content part, I'm moving on again to the content part, that is theme and the description associated with that. You don't have to write a paragraph for this. What you have to do is you have to write few points that must bring the theme up. Then name of the issuing authority. So then expression, as I discussed, persuasive language, creativity in terms of content as well as design, and word limit to be kept in mind, that is 50 words. So this way, now let me share a sample poster with you. Have you understood whatever I said and explained and described? Now you'll put all those points as this poster, in this poster, whatever we have discussed just now. Design a poster in not more than 50 words for your school library on the value of books and good reading habits. You may use slogans. Dear students, am I audible, beta? Am I audible? Okay, thank you. Thank you for conveying. Now, so you may use slogans. Now, books are, this entire presentation is a layout. If you see the title, books are best friends. Then books, what they do? This is creativity, read, speak best, think best. Now slogan is also there. Don't judge a book by its cover. Read it. A proverb may be there. A catchy line may be there. Take a book a day, don't delay. Then make reading a regular habit. You can go through this poster for a minute and you can make out what all we have discussed is there in the notice. Now one thing that we have to add from our own side is issuing authority. Below the box, you'll make one more small, you can say divide this box into two. So I'll make it on the board and you can understand what I'm saying, where we will add the name of the issuing authority. That I'll tell you afterwards. Okay. I hope you have understood this poster. Yes. Dear students, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, notice we have done. This is the second writing topic, short composition. So, sample number 1. Books are best friends. Designing a poster. Now you can design n number of posters on saving trees, saving environment, saving wildlife, but you need to be crisp. It's not drawing and painting competition as we conduct, but it is for the exam point of view where you have hardly 5 minutes to create your poster. So you have to be very crisp and fast, right? Keep some slogans ready in your mind related to the topics like sports, education, saving girls, promoting children, educating children, video games and children. Like these are the topics, that issues that are quite important. So it can be. Now the next sample I'm sharing with you is design a poster in not more than 50 words about the need for regular exercise. You may use slogans. Anyone voluntarily who will read out for the class? Somil or anyone other child? Supriya, Achal, Mehak, who will unmute himself or herself and will read out. Design a poster in not more than 50 words about the need of regular exercise. You may use slogans. Anyone? Okay, I'll give Mayur. Can you read better?
Take regular exercise and become active. Get fit for life. Enjoy mental alertness.
Very good. Very good. Continue better. Continue. This was the
A
heading.
healthy,
Continue,
a
continue.
healthy body, a healthy body shelters a healthy mind. Exercising can be fun. Choose anyone. Swimming, jogging, aerobics, dancing, working out at the gym. Run and have fun. Live longer. Sport a healthy heart. Give your heart a healthy resort. Issued by Sports Authority of India.
Very good. Now, if you can see, children, there are few bubbles to highlight the points. Run and have fun, live longer, sport a healthy heart, give your heart a healthy resort, issued by Sports Authority of India. You can make a small narrow box also below. You can divide this big box into where you have written issued by, or this way also it is fine. Right? So headache, take regular exercise. Now exclamatory, few small phrases are there. Become active, get fit for life, enjoy mental alertness. So all the, you can say the purpose is highlighted. Then sketches are not there, but bubbles are there to highlight some more points. So there is language also in the form of slogans, sentences, phrases, a proper heading, and the letters. If you see the fonts, this is a typed one, but with the pen also you can use black and blue pen in exam. I'm talking of class 11th as well as class 12th, if it is there, if it is in the syllabus next year, right? So what we can do is to make it more attractive, we can use some pens. Not much because we don't have time in exam that much, but black and blue can be managed by giving a heading with the black pen and writing the entire things, and then issued by writing again with the black pen, or the one, you can see the size of the letters. This we can do with the pen also, right? In place of circles and all, we can make cloud bubbles, like, right? So small, and it's up to you how you make it more and more creative. Now I hope the poster is clear through this sample. Hello dear students, is the poster making clear? Okay, very good. Be responsive. It matters a lot, right? Because then the teachers can move further. Now let's revise this for a second. Theme, very important. topic, very important, like theme, topic, event, purpose. I've made put slashes, right? Slash, because theme, whatever the issue is, topic is, events also we design posters. Purpose is there behind that event, topic, issue, theme, or something is happening in the school or in the university or in the locality. So then message must be there. The message and theme must match. It should not be like, there must be harmony, that a message must come up. Then catchy slogans. Name of the issuing authority. No disturbance, please. Otherwise, I will have to mute the students. This is kept so that you can speak in between.
मैम कौन से क्लास चल रही है?
Shall I unmute all? Beta, it has started from 7:50. Okay. Now pay
मैम
attention.
कौन से क्लास की?
Wait. Yes. Videos on. Dear students. Yes, all to do the videos on. Somil, Nishchal, Nachal, Sujal, everyone. Have you understood the poster? Yes. Now let's revise theme, topic, event, purpose, message, catchy slogans and captions, name of the issuing authority. Right? So this way, now write down one. You can do what you can do is now write down one question that I'm dictating. Okay? Yes. Write down one question that I'm dictating, that is, draft a poster in about 50 words. Draft a poster in about 50 words. Videos on, dear all? Very good. Achal, Sujal, Aditya, Gagandeep, all to keep their videos on. Manish, very good. Yes, now draft a poster in about 50 words, creating awareness regarding the issue or regarding the issue / topic, right? Use of technology gadgets. The topic is use of technology gadgets by students. So it's your creativity now, what you want to create awareness regarding that. It's a boon, it's a curse, it's a bane or a boon, whatever you wish to create. So use of technology gadgets by teenagers, by students. What do you want to say by this issue, by this topic, what is happening, right? So this way, and it is of 3 marks. And you will have to do it, draft it within 2-3 minutes it will take if you have understood the topic. Okay, now pay attention, dear students on the board. I was talking of the box that you can divide your layout in. Suppose you have made a box and you can issuing authority, you can write this way. This box can be used for issuing authority. When you finished entire poster, then you can write issued by. Okay, like it was written Ministry of whatever, Health and Development, whosoever. Suppose a school has issued the poster in favor of any particular pursuit or matter. So like that you can design your poster. I said content as well as design. When it comes to writing section, Three things are important: your presentation, your content that reflects the theme with proper usage of words and expressions. What is this expression? The use of correct, the ideas that you have for the theme must have right words, right phrases, and it must embellish the writing piece. I hope you have understood, and this way we finish with this topic, dear students.